Hi folks, this is Donnie and Pat at Puppy Terriers.
Hey, this is for Shelley. Here's Chloe. Come here, baby.
She ain't wanting to leave. She wanting them
Chloe,
tennis
come
shoes.
here. Here, Chloe. Here I am. Yes,
All
baby.
right, find her.
Hi. Yes. There's Chloe for Shelley.
Yeah, you pretty little thing.
There you go. Come on. Come on, Chloe.
She's done had her health check. She's a fine little girl.
Got a perfect health checkup. Her first vaccination. She's ready for you, Shelley.
Yeah.
Come here, baby. Yes. 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 You want to come up? Come on. Want to come up? Want to come up? Come on. Say, heck no, I want to play in the grass. All right, play. And the weeds. Yeah. Come here, you. Come here, Chloe. Chloe.
I want Daddy to play with
she's
me.
happy.
Leave her tail waggling.
Yeah, you think she's happy?
I
Yeah.
think she's happy.
Come here, you. There she is. Sweet. Okay, that's it for now.
Until next week.
Bye.